Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I'm back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about char and char length string in SQL or MySQL. You can check the video from the above I button. Today I will be discussing about CONCAT and CONCAT WS string function in SQL. So, without any further delay, let's get started. CONCAT function. The CONCAT function adds two or more expressions together. Syntax: concat within bracket expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 and so on. So, let's see this practically. I am using customers table under company 321 database. Query to find overall details of customers in one column. So, the query will be select concat within bracket first name, last name, age as cust details from customers. Here you can see result will be joining all the columns mentioned above in one column. Note that there is no gap between it. So, to introduce a gap, inserting a null string just before age column so the name and the age could be separated. There is another string function which does not require to insert null string for a gap. CONCAT WS function. The CONCAT WS function adds two or more expressions together with a separator. Syntax: concat underscore WS within bracket separator, expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 and so on. So, let's see this with some examples. I am using customers 2 table under company 22 database. Query to separate full address under one column with separator. So, the syntax will be select concat underscore WS within bracket first the separator, then address, city, postal code, country as address from customers 2. By running the query, we will see all the columns are separated by a gap under single column address.
The main difference between concat and concat underscore WS in SQL are how they handle separators and null values. Difference between concat and concat underscore WS. Concat appends strings end to end without a built-in separator. Any separator must be manually included as a separate argument within the function call. Whereas concat underscore WS concatenate with separator uses a specified separator, its first argument, between all subsequent strings. This makes for cleaner code when a common delimiter is needed, like for addresses or CSV formats. That's all for today. We'll discuss rest of the string function one by one in my upcoming videos. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.